In this video, I'll be covering the resale information for the Nike Fear of God 1s. These were supposed to release in March, but they got delayed. Finally, I can confirm that they will release this Saturday, April the 25th, via Nike app and other retailers. The delay allowed some anticipation to be built around this pair, and therefore we can expect a lot of hype. I don't see them performing as well as the exclusive yellow pair or OGs, but these could be next up in terms of profitability. Retail is incredibly high, but so is demand for this clean black colorway. Before I continue, I need your full attention. Take 2 seconds to hit the like button because the YouTube algorithm loves it. Then it makes sure if there is a surprise release video uploaded, you'll see it and you won't miss it. But continuing with this video, the retails for this pair in both US dollars and euros is 350. And then for British pounds it's just 300. Larger sizes will be doing better on this release. Now let's move on to the resale. For British pounds it's going to be 475 to 575. For US dollars you can expect $550 to $650. And then for euros you can expect 500 to 600. There is not much info on stock numbers, so these predictions are pretty conservative. Also, if you do cop, it will take time to sell these. Make sure you do not panic sell. Retail is already high, so that explains the high resale. And also, there's going to be more demand for hyped sneakers with a lower retail. And especially during uncertain economic times like this, you may need to hold on to them until everything returns back to normal. But still, don't let that stop you from copying or from selling. I have still managed to sell items, and I've spoken to others who have successfully sold their items during these times too. But anyway, stay updated on my Instagram page as I'll post more news closer to the release. So make sure to stay tuned to this channel because I'll be uploading more predictions about the upcoming sneakers for Travis Scott and the Yeezy basketball ones. And remember, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button, and that's for free. This helps me, and in return I can help you with your reselling. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.